Is your Spectrum cable box not turning on after a power outage? Don't worry. You can often fix this yourself using a simple refresh. The problem occurs because electronic components in your cable box, especially capacitors, may not discharge properly during an outage, leaving the box in a stuck state. This section will explain how to perform a refresh, which is essentially a non-destructive reboot. First, unplug your Spectrum cable box from the power outlet. It's crucial to wait a full 60 seconds to ensure complete discharge. After waiting, plug the box back in. In many cases, this simple power cycle clears transient faults and allows the box to boot up normally. This method has resolved 80% of cable box failure cases during power outages in recent years. If refreshing your box doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to perform a reset. There are two main types: soft resets and hard resets. For a soft reset using your remote, press and hold the power button on your Spectrum remote for 5 to 10 seconds. Alternatively, open the My Spectrum app on your phone and use the Reset Box option for a soft reset. If soft resets don't work, perform a hard factory reset as a last resort. Locate the reset button on the back of the box, which is usually a pinhole. While the box is powered on, use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Remember, Spectrum has introduced a smart recovery feature in their app that automatically attempts a soft reset when it detects a power issue, potentially saving you the hassle.